Ribbon chart, basically, ribbon chart shows ranking changes over time with connecting ribbons. So the main thing is that under what scenarios and in which situation we have to use this ribbon chart. So ribbon chart is used to visualize rank fluctuation and transitions in data over categories like time periods. And under what scenarios? Tracking top selling product, ranking quarterly, or employee performance rank monthly. So if you want to compare that out of 100 employees, which employee is giving you to the best sale? And if you want to see that you are making 10 products and out of those 10 products, which product giving you the best sales or best revenue? Then the ribbon chart is most appropriate chart for representing your data set. So the labeling option for x-axis, time or categories, again it is a categorical variable, and for y-axis you have to take the numerical values. For legends, items being ranked, the items you want to rank, or the employees you want to check which employee is giving you the best sales. And for ribbons, connect ranks, and data labels rank or values. So now let's take a ribbon chart. So now here you can see that we have a ribbon chart, and for x-axis we have taken the quarter, and for y-axis we have taken a numerical value, that is sales amount. And for legends we have taken the category. Audio, this is our product. Basically the certain company is selling different product like audio devices, camera devices, cell phone, computer, games, home appliances, music, and TV and video devices. And this is the revenue that is a particular company is getting by selling all of these different products. So again, as you can see that data is also showing in each ribbon we have on the option of data label. So that's why the data is shown in each ribbon here as well.